Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to make your text bold on WhatsApp. So in order to make your text bold on WhatsApp, first of all go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp application, and once you are inside the WhatsApp application, tap on the chat or message you want to make your text bold. So in the message box, what you're gonna do is type in asterisk or the star sign and write down one sentence. Suppose here I'm writing, "This is so cool, bro," and again close it with the star sign and send it. Here, as you can see, the text is already bold. So that is how easily you can make your text bold on WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.